Imagine rolling across the dusty surface of Mars, expecting nothing but barren plains and lifeless rocks. But then, out of nowhere, you stumble upon something so bizarre that it stops NASA scientists in their tracks. What if I told you that the Perseverance rover has just discovered a dark, jagged formation on Mars that looks so out of place, some researchers think it may have come from an entirely different world? They're calling it Skull Hill, and its existence has left even the smartest minds on Earth completely baffled. NASA's Perseverance rover has spent years exploring the Jezero crater, a place scientists believe was once a massive lake billions of years ago. Its mission is simple yet extraordinary: search for signs that life might have once existed on the red planet. But as it made its way down a rocky slope called Witch Hazel Hill, Perseverance stumbled upon something that no one expected. There, sitting quietly among light-colored dusty terrain, was a dark angular rock formation that seemed to defy everything around it. It was so strikingly different from its surroundings that scientists immediately knew this wasn't just another Martian rock. As the rover got closer to this strange formation, it became clear why scientists were so fascinated. Unlike the smooth, dusty landscape around it, this rock was dark and jagged, covered in tiny pits that made it look almost alien. Some even said it looked like it had been dropped there from somewhere else entirely. Margaret Dion, a PhD student working with NASA, explained that the sharp angles and unusual texture of Skull Hill didn't match anything nearby. It was as if this mysterious rock simply didn't belong on Mars at all, raising questions about how it ended up in such an isolated place. At first, scientists thought the answer was obvious. Skull Hill had to be a meteorite, a piece of space debris that slammed into Mars long ago. After all, it looked so foreign compared to everything around it. But when Perseverance used its powerful supercam to test the rock's chemical makeup, the results were surprising. Typical meteorites are rich in iron and nickel, but Skull Hill didn't have enough of either to fit that profile. This discovery left researchers scratching their heads once again. If it wasn't a meteorite, then what exactly was it? And how did it get there? With the meteorite theory ruled out, scientists turned to another possibility. Some believe that Skull Hill might actually be an igneous rock, formed after lava or magma cooled and hardened millions or even billions of years ago. This would explain its dark color and rough texture. But even then, it raises more questions than answers. How did such a formation end up so far from other volcanic features? And why does it look so different from everything else in the area? For now, researchers can only speculate while Perseverance continues its mission to uncover the secrets buried in Mars's ancient landscape. While scientists continue to analyze Skull Hill, news from beyond our solar system is adding even more fuel to the mystery. Recently, astronomers from the University of Cambridge announced that they're almost certain they found the strongest sign of life on another planet. This distant world, known as K2 to 18b, is about 120 light-years away and more than twice the size of Earth. Researchers believe it could be teeming with biological life. Professor Niku Madhusudan described the discovery as something so huge that it's hard for humanity to even process. And with strange rocks like Skull Hill turning up on Mars, it makes you wonder how many secrets about alien life are still waiting to be uncovered across the universe. For now, Skull Hill remains an unsolved mystery on the barren surface of Mars. Scientists can test its minerals, study its shape, and propose theories about its origin, but no one truly knows how it came to be. And with news of potential life on planets like K2 to 18b emerging, one thing becomes clear: the universe is far stranger and more complex than we ever imagined. If a single rock on Mars can challenge everything we thought we knew, just imagine what other secrets are still hidden out there, waiting to be revealed. What do you think this mysterious rock really is? Let me know your theory in the comments below.